Hello, for this Excel tutorial video, I will be showing you how to use the sum, average, min, max, and count functions on Excel. So to begin, you can just come over here to cell D2 and just begin by typing in sum, go down to D3, type in average, D4, type in min, D5, type in max, and D7, type in count. And so for today, I'm using D1 basketball conferences to explain how to use these functions on Excel. So you can begin by going to formulas, but it's much easier just to type in to E2. You can begin by using equals, and then you can just type in the function sum, and you'll see that it pops right up here. You just double click on that, and it'll type right in. So that's much easier than formulas, and it'll be much quicker, especially when you have a lot of data. So we typed in sum. Now you just have to come over here to B2, select that box, and then just left click, hold it down, and then just as you drag down, you can see the count going up. You go all the way down to your last data set that you're trying to find the sum of. Then let go, press enter, and you'll see that it pops right up here, and you see that there are 351 teams in Division I college basketball. Now, you can use the average function. So you see in the A cells there are a bunch of different conferences, and in B cells you see the number of teams in each conference. So what the average function will do, it will show you the average number of teams in each conference. So begin by typing in equals. You begin to type out average. You'll see it pops right up. Double click again, and then come back over here to B2, select, left click and hold down, drag all the way down to your last data set, and then let go, press enter, and you'll see that it pops right up, and there are an average of just about 11 teams in college basketball. Now, if you want to find the minimum number of teams in a college basketball conference, you can begin by typing in equals, type in min, it'll pop right up, double click, drag and scroll down, and press enter, and you will see that the minimum number of teams in a college basketball conference is 8. Now to find the opposite of that, find the maximum, you just type in equals, you'll see max pops right up, double click on it, and then begin by selecting the data set one more time, scroll all the way down, press enter, and then you'll see that the maximum number of teams a basketball conference has is 15. Now what the count will do is it'll show you how many conferences there are. So with a lot of data, sometimes it's just easier to do this than anything else. So you type in equals, begin typing in count, double click, select B2, left click, hold down, and then just drag your last data set and press enter, and you will see that the count, the number of college basketball conferences there are 32. So when you have large data sets, it might just be easier to do this than to actually try and count out each Excel cell. So hopefully you learned how to do the sum, average, min, and max and count functions on Excel, and this should be helpful. Thank you.